Well, good day, folks. This is your boy Ferris Deloney, and I am coming to you live here from my home office, bringing you a closer look at rotating website web traffic advertising. What this does is advertise your system across multiple high traffic networks that allow you to kind of put your advertising. It's kind of like the downliner, but if you're going to be utilizing tools and stuff like that, if you're going to be out there trying to market, you might as well have as many tools going for you as you possibly can. Now, the site is free to register. It's free to register too, and they have services that you can arrange to get to be put in the traffic rotator. You can get 1,000 website visitors, 25,000 website visitors, 50,000 website visitors for $7.99, which is pretty good. 100,000 visitors to your website for $14.99, or you can advertise for 30 days for $19.50. That'll give you 30 days of unlimited traffic for $19, and I think that would be a better bet, because if you are testing the waters and you only come up with 150,000 people when you could have gotten close to triple times as many sites, then why not? They give you rotator weight credits. You get faster credits in the rotator by upgrading and buying 2 or 3, 4, 5 credits in there, and it puts you in the rotator a lot more, so to say, that your ad will get seen more in the rotator by having these additives to it. They have login ads. You can, especially when you come to this site right here, $6.99, which for a whole month of advertising, you try to do that with an iBlast ad. An iBlast ad is going to run you for 3 days $199, which I've bought before, and it's well worth it because you add a lot of people to your email list. Banner impressions, which is cool, but I have another little deal that can get you some website traffic, some banner impressions, and I'll show you that in another separate video. But this site seems to be really, really cool. Like I said, I'm a proponent of trying to find ways. If you're on a tight budget, you don't have a lot of time, you don't have a lot of money. Well, you do have a little bit of time, but you want to maximize the quality of that time while you're trying to advertise your business. It's safe to say to go out here and try to find websites like this, or actually sign up for this, because look at the amount of traffic that you get. And these are real people. These are so being sourced from traffic exchanges, PTC ads, all that other stuff. And let's see, they've delivered 91 million visitors so far. They've been active. They only have 784 customers, and that's how many clicks they've delivered for those 784 customers. And 856 days providing advertising. So they have been up like almost 2.5 years, almost 2.5 years now, and going. And I say that's pretty good. They accept PayPal, and if you're going to be advertising, why not? And then they have special deals that they provide for you. So if it's going to help you advertise your business and add, one more leg, could be like the third leg of your business. One, you can be using a downliner, then you come out here and use rotating websites and, put down on you some traffic for the month, because I've spent a lot of money doing advertising on other sites. Let's see. Pay per visitor. That's 1,400,000 webs. And you got to consider that in a month's time. If you get 100,000, I suggest you try to amp it up, amp your views up to get signups for your business, and then utilize the faster credit, faster traffic by actually putting yourself in the rotator. So you utilize this one and get 30 days worth of traffic to your site for what, $25, which is pennies. I always say it's pennies to advertise your business. Pennies to advertise your business. If you don't have a super big budget, just make yourself get seen. Now the banner ads, they're kind of iffy. I think if you're utilizing banner ads, people click on them a little bit, but not as much as they do text ads or seeing websites. And if you have an eye-catching website, or if you have an eye-catching tagline for your emails or whatever have you, then it is what it is. But this is a little site right here. Let's see, hold on. It's got a lot of flash on it. Let's move that around. So yeah. It rotates pretty good. Rotating website advertising, 30, 60, and 90 day advertising. Buy one, get one free. Which I guess is a double up. It's a double up of your advertising. So if you buy one, that means you get 60 days worth of advertising. You get 120 days worth of advertising. 180 days worth of advertising. So yeah, I'm gonna click that banner because that anything that's gonna send I'm not gonna pass up on a traffic co-op. Period. If it's gonna put yourself in, if you're gonna be able to put yourself out there and it's gonna do the legwork for you, why not? And it's low cost. So yeah, we're in traffic wave. All right. See, people do click those ads. You just have to have something eye-catching. Even I. It's always on the lookout for a good rotator. Okay. Active ads. Okay. Best easy work they have up. Oh, so it's giving you the analytics of what this one has. And there's only like 4 or 5 active ads up right now. Make sure that your website is right when you're utilizing this stuff. Because you don't want to be messed up. So they have their websites in there analog, and then let's say all this stuff, man, is just you making sure that your job is a lot easier and you're putting yourself out there and making your money work for you. You don't have, if you don't have $200 or $300 for a solo ad, work $75 out of your budget, and work 75 to 85 bucks out of your budget, max 100 bucks out of your budget, and sign up for sites like these to try to manage. And it helps you because it's akin to having a virtual assistant, so to say. by being part of these co-ops and getting your website seen, because you can't do all the legwork yourself. So these are one. I don't know if you're on a search for you guys to try to find you some sites, but anyway, welcome page. All right, but anyway, this has been your boy Ferris. I've kind of talked talk to you guys, and you kind of see the site. Click the link below. It's a link in the description to sign up for this particular site. It's free to sign up. They have a free account for you. Then you just buy your 30 and 90-day spots for the rotation. And this is a way for you to get actual views to your site versus doing things like I'm doing. I will test other stuff out in the long run to see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna give you my honest review. Because if you see it fly across your desk, I don't want you to be wasting your money. Anyway, be blessed. Oh shit. Not stressing, always motivated by success. I should say that shit. Deuces.